Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Ubersuggest SEO Analyzer tool. If you're looking to supercharge your website's performance, stick around. First things first, head over to Ubersuggest and log in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. Enter your website URL into the SEO Analyzer and hit Analyze. It's like a health checkup for your site. Ubersuggest will give you a detailed report, including your SEO score, keyword rankings, and site health. Let's break it down. Check out your site health score. Aim for green. This tells you how well your site is optimized. Next, review your top keywords. This shows which terms are driving traffic and which ones need a boost. Don't miss the SEO opportunities. This is where Ubersuggest suggests improvements for better rankings. And that's it. With these insights, you can fine-tune your SEO strategy and climb those search rankings. Hit the link in my bio to try Ubersuggest and take your SEO game to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips.